Activate heat lasers.
Heat lasers.
Hi, family. Is dinner almost ready?
Dinner!
Remember, I've got a soccer game tonight.
Oh, I'm sorry. I lost track of time and I haven't started cooking yet, but I'll make something really quick.
Kids, why don't you help your dad while I pack up the car?
Okie dokie. Teamwork makes the dream work. Pound it.
Woo!
Okay, kiddos, what should we make?
Ooh, we could make Grandma's chicken pot pie with the homemade crust and the carrots chopped up into tiny, tiny bits like Julia likes.
Oh, Samuel, that does sound great, but it would take way too long, and we have your soccer game to get to.
Oh, right.
Hamburgers?
Oh, we don't have any ketchup, or buns, or hamburger meat. Huh.
What do we have?
We have plain yogurt, green beans, lemons, and brown rice.
Okay, well, what do we do with these?
No idea.
Cookbook?
Oh, yeah. Oh, we can look in a cookbook for dinner ideas.
Okay, pasta with marinara sauce, no. Fried rice with chicken, we don't have that. I don't see any recipes with these ingredients. What are we gonna do? We have to leave for my game soon.
Oh, your toy robot gives me an idea. We can use AI to find a recipe. AI is artificial intelligence.
That does sound like a robot thing.
Oh, yeah. Well, AI is kind of like a robot helper inside your computer, tablet, phone, or a device like this.
Ooh.
Yeah, I just got it. It's a tool that can help us do things quickly, like collect lots of information, answer big questions, make plans, or...
Make dinner!
Exactly. Its name is Reiko. Should we try it?
Yeah.
Let's do it!
Hey, Reiko, what can we make for dinner with plain yogurt, green beans, lemons, and brown rice? Here is a recipe for a slow cooker, creamy. Hey, Reiko, please pause.
casserole.
Slow cookers sound slow. I don't think we have enough time to make that before my soccer game.
You're right. Reiko isn't perfect, but I bet we could get a better answer by giving our robot helper more information about what we need.
Beep! More information, please.
Hey, Reiko, can you please give us a recipe with plain yogurt, green beans, lemons, and brown rice that we can make in 15 minutes?
And it's creative.
And yummy.
Here is a quick, creative, and yummy recipe that uses plain yogurt, green beans, lemons, and brown rice. Lemony rice with green beans and yogurt sauce. Oh, that sounds great! First, in a large bowl, combine the following.
The car is ready to go.
And dinner's almost ready. We used an AI robot helper to get started.
Fantastic.
You want to know what we're making?
Absolutely. Tell me what Reiko said so I can learn with you.
We're making green bean salad. And tomorrow, beep, we are making salad with bananas and broccoli and cabbage and noodles.
Oh, did Reiko think of that?
Oh no, that's a me idea.
Uh-huh.
Dinner's ready.
All right.
We'll play with you later, robot. Beep boop. But right now, it's time for us people to eat.